Dear student, welcome to the online learning. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 8, that is decimals. Today's topic will be addition of decimals. So let's begin with our today's class here. The question which are given in textbook page number 179. So here is the first question, that find the sum in each of the following, and the question are like 0.007 added with 8.55 added with 30.08. So first, before we do the sum, we must know that before adding children, the decimal numbers, they all have to be converted in like decimal form first. Okay, so how to convert them in like decimal, listen it carefully. So first of all, in every given decimal number, you see the number of decimal digit, okay, up to the more number of decimal digit where we have. So in the first number you can see total 3 number of decimal digits are there. In the next number we have only single digit as a decimal digit, whereas in the third number we have total 2 number of decimal digits. So you can see the first number, they have the more number of decimal digit in it up to 3 places. So rest other 2 decimal numbers also we will make it up to 3 decimal digit. So then they will be converted in like decimal form and we can get the sum easily. So here if we don't have the that many digits after the decimal point in the next number, what we did after, here you can see 8.5, and at the last 2 digits of the decimal places we have included 00 to make them like decimal. In the same way, you see here for the 30.08, one digit was less as compared to the first decimal number. So here also we have included 10, okay, towards the right hand side. Fine. From the right extreme right hand we have included here zeros to make them like decimal. Now after this we will go ahead with obtaining their sum. So when we take their sum, we take their sum from the right extreme end. So here we will take the sum first for the thousandth place. So we have here only 7, so the sum will be 7 for this place. Now let us get the sum for the 100th place. So here also you can see 0 plus 0 plus 8, so we'll get here 8. Now for the 10th place, 0 plus 5 plus 0, so we'll get here 5. Now the decimal digit will this all are over. So in front of the decimal digit we have here decimal point, that has to be brought down as it is, and then we will add them for the ones place here. So when you add it for ones place, that means for the whole number value, so 0 plus 8 plus 0 will give us 8 only. Now for the tens place, 0 plus 0 plus 3, so you will get here 3. So the sum is 38.587. Now come to the next question, that is 15.0.632 plus 13.8. So again we need to see here that for the given decimal number, which decimal number is having more number of decimal places in it. Okay, so likewise the other number will be also arranged. So we have here in this question total 3 number of decimal digit, okay, in the given question, which is having more number of decimal digit, okay, as compared to other 2 numbers given in the question number 1b. So this 15 also we have written in form of decimal digit by adding here 3 more zeros after the decimal point. We converted it in like decimal. Then the next number we arranged down of it, and then the third number also we will arrange by including that many number of zeros at its right extreme end. Fine. So here you can see 13.8 was given. So after that we were having 2 less decimal digit, okay, that means for 100th and for 1000th place. So we have written here 00 there. Now we'll take the sum as we have done for the first question. So start from the extreme right end. So we get here 0 plus 2 plus 0 will get 2. Likewise 0 plus 3 plus 0. So we get here 3. In the same way, when we add here 0 plus 6 plus 8, so we get here 14, but we have written here 4 and we'll give 1 as a carry forward to the front digit, and then we'll bring down the decimal point as it is. Now add for the ones place, so 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 0 it will be 6, 6 plus 3 will give us 9. Now for the tens place addition, so 1 plus 0 plus 1, so we'll get here 2. So answer is 29.432. In the same way, we will do the third question also. So here the total number of decimal digit after the decimal point we have here, they are up to 3 digit. Okay, in this given question, so wherever it is less than 3 digits after the decimal point for the decimal digit, so we will make them like decimal by inserting that many number of zeros after the decimal point to make them like decimal, and then we will get the sum from the extreme right hand digit. Okay, so here we have got the sum is equals to 27.630. How we have got, see here, when we have added this thousandth place, 6 plus 0 plus 4, we got 10, so 0 we wrote and 1 we have given carry forward. Then when we added this 100th place, so 7 plus 5, it was 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 0 will be 13, so 3 we wrote and 1 we have given carry forward. Then 0 plus 1 it will be 1, 1 plus 5 will be 6, 6 plus 0 it will be 6 only. So 6 we wrote here and decimal digit we brought all here, and then we have written here the decimal point in front of it before the 3 digit from the right hand. Okay, and then when we do the sum for this whole number values, so here when we see the ones place digit, 7 plus 0 plus 0, so it will be 7. Same way for the tens place, 2 plus 0 plus 0, so it will be 2. So we have got here the sum 27.630 as a answer. Now come to the question number 2. Here you can see the question. In this question, Rashid he spent rupees 35.75 for maths book and rupees 32.60 for science book. We have to find the total amount spent by him. So let us write the statement first. We write here cost of the maths book is equals to rupees 35.75. Same way for the cost of science book, we have here rupees 32.60. Now let us get their total amount spent. So we'll arrange this given numbers from the question, that is rupees 35.75. Below this we will arrange 32.60, which was the cost of science book, and for total amount we'll add them. So from the right hand digit, from the extreme right hand side from this place, we will start adding them. So 5 plus 0 will get 5. Now 7 plus 6 will give us 13, so 3 we wrote, 1 will give as a carry forward, and we will bring this decimal point down. Now add for this ones place, so 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, and in the same way while this ones place is over, now add for tens place. So here we'll get 3 plus 3 as equals to 6. So we got here total amount spent by him is equals to rupees 68.35. Now come to the question number 6, where Sunita traveled 15 kilometer 268 meter by bus and 7 kilometer 7 meter by car and 500 meter on foot in order to reach her school. How far is her school from her residency? Okay, so distance traveled by bus is equals to 15 kilometer 268 meter. So we'll convert them in single unit, okay, using the conversion what we learned in previous video. So here we have converted it in single unit, that is 15.268 kilometer was the distance traveled by bus. In the same way, the distance traveled by car is equals to 7.007 kilometer, and the distance traveled on foot is equals to 500 meters. So we'll convert it in kilometers, so it will be written as like 0.500 kilometer. Now let us get their total sum to obtain the distance total traveled by Sunita. So first of all, we'll arrange all this distance whatever was traveled by bus, by car and on foot. then we'll place a addition sign as we are doing the addition operation here. So now let us get the sum. So again here we will start the sum from the extreme right hand side. So here you can see when we add 8 plus 7 plus 0, we got here 15. So 5 we wrote and 1 we will give as a carry forward to the front digit, which represents the 100th place here. So 6 plus 1 will give us 7, 7 plus 0, 7, 7 plus 0, 7. Okay, so 7 will be written here. Now add for this 10th place. So 2 plus 0 plus 5 will become 7. Okay, then bring the decimal point down and now add for the ones place digits. So 5 plus 7 will give us 12. So 2 we wrote here down and when 1 will be given as a carry forward to the front digit. So now add for the tens place also. So here 1 plus 1 will be 2, 2 plus 0 will give us 2 only. So we got here total distance traveled by Sunita is equals to 22.775 kilometer. Okay. Now come to the question number 7, that is Ravi purchased 5 kg 400 gram rice, 2 kg 20 gram sugar and 10 kg 850 gram flour. Find the total weight of his purchases. So for this also children, the weight of the rice purchased we will show it in single unit. Okay, whatever units are given in the question that we will convert in single unit. So using the conversion between kg and gram, we will convert it in single unit. So here you can see 5 kg 400 gram, it will be written as 5.400 kg. And in the same way for the weight of sugar purchased, this will be written in single unit by using the conversions whatever we learned. So here we get that 2 kg 0.020 kg. Now for the weight of flour purchased, it will be 10 kg 850 grams. So in kg it will be written as like 10.850 kg using the conversion table. So here the total weight of the purchase will be given by adding all these three weights. Okay, so from the right end again, that means from the extreme right end again we will do their sum for each values. So 0 plus 0 will give us 0. Now for the this for the 100th place when you do, so 2 plus 5 will give us 7. Now for the 10th place, so 4 plus 8 will give us 12. So 2 we write here, then we'll give one carry forward to the front digit and the decimals will be brought down. Now add for the ones place, so 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 will give us 8 here. Now for the tens place when you add, so 0 plus 1 will give us 1 only. So the total weight of the purchases done by him is equals to 18.270 kg. So here are your home assignment children. The question number 1 DEF, question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5 of the exercise 8.5 given in textbook page number 179. I hope whatever we learned today you have understood. Thank you.